Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Today I've got this double little treat box to share with you. So let me set this aside and we'll get to the creating. So to start, we're going to do a little stamping. I've got some Whisper White here and my Warm Hugs stamp set that's in the August to December Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. And then I also have the rosette stamp from the August Paper Pumpkin Kit, World's Greatest. And I'm going to be using Rococo Rose ink. And just give this a rub. I'm just setting it on there, not pouncing or pushing it in. And give it a rub all over. And then let's do our second stamp here. This one is from Warm Hugs. Give it a rub all over. And close up my ink pad so I don't stick my hand in it. And then I've got my 1.5 inch circle punch. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and punch this. And then I'm going to stamp the correct sentiment off camera. I'm going to take the rosette and cut it out with one of the scalloped layering circles, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have our stamped piece and the stamped rosette that's been die cut, and then while I was away I also used the little treat box die, and I cut 2 of those from Rococo Rose. So the first thing that we need to do is cut away the tabbed piece on the inside of each of these. So we're going to leave the slotted piece and remove the tabbed piece. Next, we're going to take the bone folder and just burnish all of the score lines. And then the same thing on this piece. So next we need to add some Stampin' Seal Plus, and I'm going to add that here on the bottom and then overlap these 2 pieces right up to the score line, but not across the score line. So you've got 2 score lines you need to worry about, side to side, and then also top to bottom. Okay, and then we're going to take this 4-inch strip and add adhesive to it. Now it's just a tad long, so on this side I'm going to add adhesive instead of all the way out to the end, and line this up again over those and reach inside and give it a good press on each side. And now we have a good double box that's sturdy. Let's cap this a moment and go ahead and use our paper snips to trim this edge down. Now let's finish this off. So I'm going to add a piece of tear and tape here. And tear that, and we're going to pretend I didn't just tear a little piece of the designer paper away. We'll never know when I'm done. Okay, and then I have some of the Rococo Rose scalloped linen ribbon, and I'm going to put that down in a with a little bit of a ruffle here. I'm just adhering that right to the tear and tape, just giving it 2 or 3 little ruffles, maybe one more. Okay, and let's take our scissors and cut that. Put that out of the way. Grab my dimensionals and add them back to the back of the scalloped circle. The ribbon is going to push up on this just a little bit, so I want to add some extra dimensionals to make sure it's going to stay in place. And just offset that a little bit. And next I have some linen thread, and I'm just going to do a triple loop faux bow, and let's trim this. And I'm going to trim this a little bit shorter. And grab my mini glue dots. I'm going to put a couple right behind that knot, and they're going to help me stick this down, but also keep that from slipping since it's not really tied. It's only partially tied. So we're going to stick that right here and kind of pull those around a little bit. And then I've got too many things out here. Let's move a little bit of it and grab dimensionals for the back of this piece. And then let's put a couple of embellishments on. We're going to use some of these elegant faceted gems, and I've got my take your pick tool here. I want the white ones here because they'll go nicely with the monochromatic thing that I've got going on. And there we go. There's our double little treat box. Quick and easy. Easy to zhuzh up and use for lots of occasions. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you would like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And give this video a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye.